parcel from Lorna, Kathleen Carey, and I've not looked at it yet. She sent me lots of accessories. Open them now, have a look. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow. Look at that beautiful, beautiful headpiece. It's absolutely exquisite. Little porcelain roses and blush pink. Oh, Kathleen Carey Bridal, absolutely amazing. Thank you, Lorna, that is just absolutely gorgeous. What else have we got in here? Oh wow, look at these. These are so beautiful. Those little porcelain flower pins. Absolutely exquisite. And I've got, how many of these? She sent me 3 of those. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, this is so exciting. It's like Christmas. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful hairpin with seed pearls. Oh gosh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to start doing some creations to show off these pieces. Thank you so much, Lorna. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. Look at those. Look at that one. See properly. How gorgeous is that? Absolutely stunning work. Beautiful. I'm loving the rose gold as well. My favourite. I love rose gold. Oh my goodness. It's the brooch that I loved. Beautiful, beautiful rose with rhinestones and seed pearls. How gorgeous is that one? That's a hair comb. Absolutely stunning. Look at these, yeah. Oh, some more pins. Absolutely beautiful. Can you see them up close? Sent me so much. Oh wow, look at these. Beautiful silver with diamante and seed pearls brooches. There's 2 of them there. I learned so much from you creating styles to use these amazing creations of. Oh wow, look at that. It's a smaller hair comb with a rose and seed pearls again. That little diamond in the middle of the rose. Look at that. How gorgeous. Oh, it's so exciting. I'm going to be keeping these very safe, taking good care of them. Oh, look at this. My favourite, again, rose gold. The detail in the leaves and the flowers is just beautiful. Look at that one. Oh, wow, I can't believe you sent me this much stuff. Another hair comb. That is just exquisite. The detail in those flowers is amazing. This is gold. You see detail, just absolutely exquisite. Thank you so much. It's so well made, and everything's handmade, isn't it? It's just gorgeous. Look at these pins. These are absolutely stunning. There's two different types there. One's pretty white flowers there with the blue pearls. And then there's another one, blue, with a different type of flower. Oh gosh, I'm so lucky. Thank you, Lorna. And she sent me another one. Got another one to go with those. Oh, I love these. How pretty are these? Look at the romantic flowers. Oh, they're pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Eek. I'm going to have lots and lots of fun creating styles with these. Oh, look at these as well. More rose gold. I absolutely adore rose gold. Little flowers made with seed pearls again. Beautiful hairpins. Absolutely gorgeous. Just can't believe how much you've sent me. Oh, look at these. Really, they've got a tint of pink with gold leaf. They are stunning. Absolutely stunning. I am so chuffed. Thank you so much. And there's one more piece. Ah, what's this? It's a headband. But very careful wrapping it. Oh my good grief, look at this. How beautiful is that? A tiara. I've got a tiara. Don't drop it. Look at the detail in that. Oh wow, it's absolutely stunning. It's absolutely covered in seed pearls and diamante and silver. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. How amazing is that? I am so lucky. I'm so excited. I want to show you this first one again. I don't know if I showed you it up close very. Show you this first headband again. Look at the detail. They're beautiful blush pink roses. Little pearls and diamante. And then a beautiful blush pink silk wrap. That is absolutely exquisite. I am absolutely thrilled to bits. Lorna, thank you so much, and I promise I will do these pieces justice for you. I will, and I'll look after them really, really well. I've got a special case that I'm going to put them all in and keep them safe. Thank you ever so much. So excited, thank you. I just want to say a final note because I was giddy and I was rushing when I opened all these exquisite pieces earlier. I've now put them safely in boxes, and I'm keeping some in a little box in the original tissue paper that they came in because I want to keep them beautiful. If anybody wants to purchase any of these, whether you are a hair artist like myself, or whether you're a bride to be looking for pieces, exquisite pieces, and I don't just say that lightly, they just blow me away. I mean, just look at that tiara. It is absolutely, it's just stunning. As are all the pieces. If any of you want to buy any of these, then head over to Kathleen Carey Bridal on Instagram. She's also on Etsy, her store's on there. She's really, really popular. She's got over 1,000 reviews from happy brides. So basically, yeah, just I will add the link in the post to her Etsy store. I'll tag her in this post as well, but yes, in my giddiness earlier, I called a few things brooches when obviously they are not brooches, they are combs and pins. So if anybody wants to buy any of these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces, these are porcelain, and just look at the detail on that leaf. I just can't stop looking. If anybody wants to buy anything, yeah, head over to Kathleen Carey. She is super friendly, she's super talented. All these beautiful creations are handmade. Just look, how amazing. She's amazing, and I'm thrilled to pieces, and I just wanted to share that information because I didn't include it earlier when I was unwrapping the parcel, because I was just so giddy. Anyway, just thought I'd say that. Thanks again, Lorna. I am over the moon, and I cannot wait to create some hairstyles which will hopefully do your gorgeous, gorgeous pieces justice. Just look, I've got drawers and drawers and drawers of fantastic, amazing stuff. Thank you for watching. Head over to Kathleen Carey Bridal. She is amazing. Thank you. Bye.